At Midwest Fit Club, they do power vinyasa classes where the instructor leads the class from pose to pose, where it flows sometimes at a fast pace, sometimes at a slower pace from each pose. And the instructor can modify each pose if you're a beginner to make it a little bit easier, or if you're looking for more of a challenge. One of the great things about the classes here at Midwest Fit Club is that they're always different. So something new could happen each day you're here, where sometimes something kind of scary happens and you might, go upside down in a pose, or sometimes if you need to slow down and just focus on your breathing, then you can slow down. There's many benefits to yoga. It works on your flexibility, your strength, your coordination, focus, balance. So those things can really help enhance your other workout, other fitness goals, as well as your daily life.
Midwest Fit Club happily services the Bolingbrook community. We hope you found this video helpful. Please visit our website if you want to learn more on how to get your free 17-day pass. Come in and meet our staff, try our equipment, take our classes. There's no catch, no obligations. It's that simple. If you have any questions, give us a call. We would love to speak with you.